Ones involved in Uripok double murder held. Viren says special first-track court will be set up soon to prevent crimes against women. Chief Minister loses his school as official gives seminar on development priority of Manipur amidst. In the shocking incident, the youngest brother was bludgeoned to death by 3 elder brothers in Irong, Kesaba. Belly Bridge on National Highway in Technopole District headquarters is on the verge of collapse. And Forest Environment Minister T. Shankumar flags off MMTA expedition to Jimmo Valley. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News and I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories in the latest news at this hour. One person who was allegedly involved in a double murder in Uripok Bachaspati Maning Laikai has been arrested by police. Disclosing the arrest, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren today told the media persons that a special first-track court will be set up soon to prevent crimes against women in Manipur. Biren was speaking to media on the sidelines of the 2-day seminar on the development priority of Manipur at RIMS Jubilee Hall. The Chief Minister condemned the brutal murder in Uripok and termed it as a dastardly act. He said the first-track court will be set up soon not only to prevent the crimes against women in the state but to give punishment to the guilty persons.
Nupama am cold-blooded ni. And as the government election now state government decided to have a fast-track court, especially to deal with the crime against the women. Nupi singi mayo plus satha crime se masi thiangana with the fast-track court in any way. Hunter gam hangel ever to race. Sing my long tokiba, Uribok tokiba, Mori and the tokiba. Other than do high court fast-track court, especially for women against crimes against women, sigi dam tak koi tongna linge na koi process hore.
A 2-day state-level seminar on development priority of Manipur, organized by Planning Department, kicked off today at RIMS Jubilee Hall. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren was furious when he saw that most of the top officials of various government departments who were to attend this seminar had not shown up. He warned that the officials who did not turn up the event must give justification for the absence. The seminar, organized by Steering Committee, formed under the instruction of Chief Minister with Professor N. Mohendro as the chairman, will focus on the priorities of developmental works in the state, and the government will take steps to translate the resolution of the seminar to action. The seminar will take into account the opinions and suggestions of officials of various departments, professors of university, experts in agriculture, science and technology. In his opening speech, Nongthombam Biren reiterated that the BJP-led government wants the state to develop. He urged people to give suggestions for the development of the state and assure that the government will work hand in hand with the people. However, the Chief Minister warned that officials and staffs of different departments cannot remain indifferent to the efforts of the government. Speaker Yumnam Khemjan, Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen, Fishery and Tribal and Hill Affairs Minister N. Kayashi, and Deputy Chairman of Planning S. Rajan were among those present at the event. The seminar will continue till tomorrow.
Most of the university Ozasingai Ude, successful entrepreneurs in Yahoning Ude, doctors, Oiro, any elite group Kara. Laibak sigi tung sigi khanba economy da kai da kamaina sapate gena khanba mi sing ude sine khoi gi soiris sai da gi da dum honaba kainom da uda dum criticism da ubudi as tv gam ko tabi una yu pham khap again laibak sem ba da yaw gu mi na sai ba gi hak laite bot tha da ba yaw gu mi na governance criticism da gi hak su laite economy fanana sem je ha ba da participate da ba kangu na madu gi resource economy phati na ngang ba hak laite yaw bi yo ha ba ne ba na haise adu ga yam concrete ba comprehensive ba recommendation ka gi da to bi yo
Practical. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren today inaugurated a new administrative block of Central Agriculture University at Lamphel. In his inaugural address, the Chief Minister appealed to Central Agriculture University and other departments concerned to adopt organic farming in the state. He asserted that Manipur is a fertile land, but the farmers have not been able to take advantage of the nature's gift. Biren also expressed concern at the farmers not practicing multiple cropping and the state being unable to produce enough fish despite having several water bodies. He asserted that it is time for CAU and other departments concerned focused on the ways to increase the yields. The Chief Minister also said the BJP-led government appreciated people's support in its developmental works and initiative to curb corruption in the state. Biren stated that the BJP government will never deceive the future generation.
Scientifically, what bagira suning the bagira. Ekoi je thabukra suning ba midina de ekoi am thabuk suning the ba white color job to taroga. Nungai bajati diwe mebush. Feel like ya kana salaga suning de. Then why we should not start walking? Lady ba pukri part mayam sida fajuna koina timely adoga scientifically nga yoko matamda Hyderabad dagi porai ba nga se poraktra siya ne ba koi. Ekoine hing ba si Assam da hing ba. Asadu urukta ba dai ne ba ngasi Manipur da instability lai ba uncertainty we ba life to karino ke nokhang ba crime hengka lai ba. It is the commitment of the whole government. We will never betray the generation, particularly the youth.
Manipur People's Club Khwai Thokchom Laikai today felicitated BJP Manipur Pradesh President Khetrimayum Bhavananda, who has been elected to the Rajya Sabha at Kaishampa Thokchom Laikai. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit, Education Minister T.H. Radhesham, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar, former President of BJP Manipur Pradesh S.H. Santikumar and other executive members of BJP Manipur Pradesh were present at the event. People presented gifts to Khetrimayum Bhavananda and also appealed to him to do good works for the state. One side of the road from the western side of the Kaishampat Bridge till Wahingbam was blocked for nearly 1.5 hours in connection with the reception of BJP Manipur President KSH Bhavananda, who has been elected to the Rajya Sabha. Even though the event was held on the western part of the road, movement of both two-wheelers and four-wheelers were prevented from using the other side of the road. However, there was no heavy traffic on the road today being Sunday. In a shocking incident, the youngest brother was burgled to death by his 3 elder brothers in Irong Chesaba under Mayang Imphal police station. The incident occurred last night around 10. The deceased is identified as MD Firoz Khan, aged 42 years, son of Abdul Khani. Mayang Imphal police station has filed a case and started probe into the murder. The body of Firoz Khan has been kept at RIMS. Police sources said during a quarrel in the past, Abdul Latif, 65 years, eldest brother of the deceased, fired at MD Firoz Khan. Later, MD Firoz Khan attacked his brother with a knife. Yesterday, all the brothers, including another 2 identified as Abdul Hakim and Abdul Ghaffar, sat together to settle the problem. However, fight broke out among the brothers during the talk and 3 elder brothers attacked MD Firoz Khan. He died on the spot. The Valley Bridge on the National Highway 102 in Technopole District Headquarters is on the verge of collapsing. Sources said the bridge might collapse any time. The bridge, which is about 1 kilometer of Technopole District Headquarters, was built last year by the former Congress government following a landslide due to heavy rain. It was inaugurated in December last year. Cracks have appeared on the art on both sides of the bridge in Technopole and they are beginning to sink. The road beside the bridge has also collapsed, causing trouble for the people in their movement. Both the bridge and road might collapse anytime due to rain if immediate measures are not taken to repair them. People continue to protest against a double murder in Uripok. People Action Committee, that is PAC, of Soram Ongbi Lakhipiari and Irengbam Ongbi Monica, Soram Ongbi Lakhipiari and Irengbam Ongbi Monica held the protest to press the demand to nab and punish the culprits. Women protesters today took part in the sit-in held in Uripog, Kamdebu, Lerak. It may be recalled that Soram Ongbi Lakhipiari and Irengbam Ongbi Monica were mercilessly murdered at their home at Uripog Pachaspati Maning Lerak on the 30th of last month. The family of Thingbajam Ramananda has complained that proper investigations are not being made into his suspicious death. 23-year-old Ramananda, son of Thingbajam Imocha from Lamlongai Maning Lerak, Laikai, died under suspicious circumstances last month. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, the mother of Ramananda, Sanatombi, said he was phoned by the daughter of Haurokchom Deben from Awang Kunau Mamang Laikai, Imphal to Jiri Road, and asked him to meet her on the 19th of last month. She said the girl informed them on phone that Ramananda was admitted to Raj Medicity after he drank poison. The family members rushed at the hospital. The mother said Ramananda died in the hospital the next day. He alleged that the body has injury marks in the thigh and the right side of the head. Sanatombi said the post-mortem report has not been given to them. She urged authorities to find out the truth in her son's death.
I Nishan Passalana Ragasonda, Ishan Passalakan, and Labona Ringada. Moses Pimasaki, Manusaki, on the Salaki to Haram there, Karim, the Haram there, Aduga Ishan Panasi, Mrs. Mutaga, Syria, Ishan Pasiki Massage, the duck from there. Magi Makota, Makshana, Apopa, Dakuma, Lerame, Adagiti Pinusi, the Suki, Kaikumba, what say, Gumba, Masatum, Pona Timbagi, Dakumayama Matarame. Adana Ishan Panasi, Mrs. Mutaga, Sibanate, I don't know, Massa Isagi, Mrs. I am the Singapore, Adana Mrs. Imatanga, according to Sipali, Sarkazna, a sing Basungalanga, Kutopi, Odana, I need Jan Pasiki Mama or Moina, I know Mayam the Hajari.
Now let's take a small commercial break. We'll be right back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English News. Forest and Environment Minister Thaunawjam Shyam Kumar this morning flagged off an expedition of Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, that is MMTA, to Juko Valley at Mount Eso from MMTA office at Minuthong. The expedition is being organized on the theme Connecting People to Nature. The minister flagged off the MMTA team at 6 a.m. Altogether, 60 men and women trekkers are taking part in the 3-day trekking expedition. Director of IPR Megachandra Kongbam, former president of MMTA Yambem Laba were among those present at the event.
Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association ga Nagaland ki Adventure Association namega pullaga World Environment Day magi theme na connecting with the nature haiva theme zigi makhada akoina entire junze zuko gilili phajawa yengbada natana what is our responsibility to clean the nature, to take care of the lilies haibagi pandam da akoina ngasi World Environment Day June gi tarik manga da tawda busing ngasi flag up tawjabane aduga hojik participate tawbiriba Manipur gi youths mayam sina satkadaba mission se mission clean zuko haibagi pandam sida chatpane.
Khurai MLA and Parliamentary Secretary of Home Laishangtem Susindro today distributed relief items to flood-affected people in the constituency through Khurai Kendra Development Committee. 15 relief items including blankets, CGI sets and other essential items were distributed at 4 relief camps at Khurai Puthiba Laikai and Khurai Nandaivam Laikai. MLA Susindra said affected persons whose houses have been damaged by the flood will be provided temporary settlement at newly constructed Lions Club Hospital. He also assured that he will urge the government to build houses for the affected families.
Khurai Kendra Development Committee amasung lairiba Nandaivam Laikai Puthiba Laikai gi Himayabel sing amasung moigi sangstan khara lairi makhoi da khoina aigi site gi aina angamba kano sine khoino ji sinajai sia dana hojuji sinari bachda mamanga maning is hana khoino already kano di financial assistant adu ate khoi loi pi khre adu hojuji khoino mamang da pi gi da wat loba khoi blanket kumba adagi chini cheng adagi asatau ten fish item taraga tre nipan musui adu khoina sipi pitok sabani.
District Agriculture Officer Imphal East and Nongpok Imphal Lomi Sinmi Apun Baluf jointly conducted an awareness program under the aegis of Rashtriya Krish Vikas Yojana scheme at Huikap Community Hall yesterday. Sub-Divisional Agriculture Officer A. Nabukumar and Circle EOO Sarat spoke to the farmers on how to increase the rice yield. Around 50 farmers attended the event. Visual Arts Forum Manipur today organized an open discussion demanding the government to provide jobs to people who studied fine arts, which is a part of visual arts at Manipur Press Club. Teachers and students of fine arts participated in the discussion. People at the discussion opined that fine art is a subject which brings out a person's creativity. They said it is necessary to provide a means of living to those who studied the subject. They also said even though they had demanded the former Congress government to recruit teachers for the vacant posts 6 years ago, the government did not take any step. The former will submit the resolution of the meeting to the government. Manipur University Students' Union 2016-17 will organize an open debate competition in the memory of Arambam Samarendra on MU campus on June 10. The topic on the debate is Government of India amasung NSCN IM anigi marakta sign taunakhiba framework of agreement miyamda phongdoktaba asina Manipurgi apunba saktam ngakpa ngamgani. In the press release, Musu said the best competitors will be awarded rupees 10,000, 7,000 and 5,000 respectively along with the certificate. Handloom and Textile Employees Union appreciated the state government for inaugurating Handloom and Textile Directorate as a separate directorate from Industries Department. They also thanked the government for appointing a technocrat as the director. Kanglei Sports Academy, Kanglei felicitated their players who bagged medals at the 34th All India Karate Federation National Championship 2016 and 15th All India level Budokan Open Karate Championship Suraksha Cup 2017 at Kiamgai Haibong Makong Community Hall. It may be mentioned that players of Kanglei Sports Academy, Kanglei bagged a total of 15 medals, 13 gold and 2 bronze in the 34th All India Karate Federation National Championship 2016 and bagged 13 medals, 7 gold, 2 silvers and 4 bronze in the 15th All India level Budokan Open Karate Championship Suraksha Cup 2017. Speaking on the occasion, Technical Chairman of Kanglei K.H. Sanjeev encouraged the players to work harder to participate in Japan Olympics and also urged the parents to support the players. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Ones involved in Uripok double murder held. Viren says special first track court will be set up soon to prevent crimes in impunity. Chief Minister loses his school as official gives seminar on development priority of Manipur amidst. In the shocking incident, the youngest brother was bludgeoned to death by 3 elder brothers in Irong, Kesaba. Bali Breton National Highway in Technopole District headquarters is on the verge of collapse. And Forest Environment Minister T.S. Shyam Kumar flags off MMTA expedition to Jimbo Valley.